Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how to make an intro or an end or anything like that for your YouTube videos or any videos in general. But most people are using this for YouTube videos. I actually use this for all my videos. You could simply go to any of these templates. Let's pick something that I haven't done. Hopefully find one that you guys think is pretty cool. So we're gonna do, let's go to this one. Just go to that, open it in Clip Maker. And this one is actually total free. If you guys are having any issues with it, you shouldn't. I haven't run into any issues. This is a really easy site to, operate. You just simply are going to templates and then go to the basics. If you need to fix the resolution on it, the length, try to keep it under about 10 seconds. I think 5 seconds is perfect. Something to add to your videos. My other one that I have on my videos is about 8-9 seconds, so I'm actually wanting to make a new one so that it's a little bit shorter. You don't want to annoy people with just having a super long intro. So you just go to the little cube right here that says objects. Go to the name. Go to 3D text. Edit that to, let's just say Anthony, because that's part of my channel's name. Or let's just say Anthony on Demand. Screw it. And then you can edit the size. We'll do 10 just because it's a lot of words. Keep that in mind though, if you do have a lot of words, it's going to be, you're going to want to make it smaller so that it fits into the screen. So you're going to want to keep the size and the height the same on these other name and the other text that say name, because you're going to want to put the same text in there because it's like kind of like a 3D image. So just do the same thing. And also, guys, just wanted to mention something. If you guys are wanting to make thumbnails or channel art, check out my other video. I made a video on that, a little tutorial. I'll put it on the link right below or on this video that you'll see on the top right corner. Anyways, put 10 right here, and then 5 if I can type right, and then 10. Oh shoot, not 200. 10. Alright. And again, this is not something that I'm a professional at. This is just something I've been using for the last couple weeks and wanted to share something that I've been doing. So when you want to view it, you click this eyeball and it'll give you what it's going to look like to the viewer. That's why it has an eyeball, because you're viewing it with your eyeball. It's my and that right there is with the noise. I didn't want to talk because I wasn't too sure if it was going to be playing the noise. But yeah, guys, I mean, it's super quick, easy. All these templates actually do come with music, but if you don't like it, you can mute it out and then add your own music using whatever video editing software you're using. Like, I'll give you an example. I'm going to go away from this. It's kind of a little off topic, but help you guys out. So say you were doing, this is actually the other video that I was doing. I use Filmora 9, but anyways, say you were wanting to drag it like the intro, you can mute it and then add in your own music to go with it. Something that you can consider if you don't like the music that comes with it. So I hope this actually helped you guys a lot. There is actually a audio music that you can select and do that too, but it's just whatever your preference is. So you can obviously edit it in that Panzoid, which is kind of nice. And then when you are done with this, just go down to here to download. I don't want to forget to let you guys know how to do this. And then go to extreme quality. It's going to take about 5 minutes to upload. I'll just start it right now just so that you guys can see. So it'll just let you know that you're downloading your video. Once it's downloaded, then you can go into your files and it'll show it right in there. Well, anyways, guys, I hope this helped you guys a lot. I hope that it helps your guys' channel build a better quality as it did with mine. There are a lot of people that have this kind of videos up on helping people, but some people just don't understand the quality of telling people step by step. And I hope this helped you guys understand how to use this website. And I hope that you guys have a great day. Anyways, thank you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing. Thanks.